Hi, this is Matt with Claris Training. I have another video for a design pattern that comes up very often, and that is this. We need to create related notes for a given company. So these are records in another table, and if you click on it, you can see kind of details. And like a detail screen like this one, you could put lots of details and have as much length as you want. Okay, but another thing that I really want to have happen that's quick, though, is a way to make them really simple with just one blob of text. Here are the moving parts. First, I have a script called create note that has the basics, goes to layout, creates a record, sets some fields, and it sets the foreign key so that you can make a note from any place. It could be from company, from invoice, for example. And then I have a global field, which we'll look at in a second, called gnote. So when the script runs, it sets a variable to the contents of the gnote field. And then after it's done with that, it clears the global field, which is kind of what you'd expect. And when the script is done running, it goes to the tab. So you can name a tab to a specific word, and then it will go there when it's done. Okay, the field, the global field, looks like this. It's in the dashboard table. It's just called gnote, and it's a global field, which means you have to have the storage tab checkbox for global. Now, one thing I have not yet done is I haven't yet set the script trigger to call that. So let's go to layout mode, and then we're going to right click on the gnote field and go to script triggers. And there's a bunch of options. My favorite one here by far is on object save. This means you've clicked into a field, typed something that's different than what was there, exited the field is committed, and then the script runs. Okay, so create note. No parameters needed in this case because it gets its data from the global. And then if I go to browse mode, I'll turn script debugger on and test this. I'll put a note that says sent some more info. And then I'll just hit tab or return or whatever I'm going to do to get out of the field to commit it. Then the script fires, it grabs some variables like the text of the note, who I am, and then it goes to the note layout, creates a record, sets the fields, then clears the note text, and then comes back to the original layout from whence it started, and then goes to the note object, which happens to be the notes tab. So pretty quick round trip. Yet another test. Tab, and we have a note just like that. So pretty good design pattern, definitely something I use frequently, and I hope you find it useful and have a great day.